Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into how to create sequential task workflows in Monday.com. Our first step is to log into our Monday.com account. This is where all the magic happens. The reason we start here is to access the platform where we'll be setting up our workflow. Once logged in, head to the workspace and click on the New button to create a new board. This board is going to be the home base for your sequential task workflow, the place where you'll organize and manage all your tasks. Next up, let's add some tasks to our board. Click on Add Item and type in the name of your task. This step is crucial because it's how we'll populate our workflow with the tasks we need to complete. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up dependencies. Select a task, go to the dependency column, and choose which task it's dependent on. This helps us because it creates a sequence of tasks that need to be completed in a specific order. Moving forward, let's automate our workflow. Go to the Automate button at the top of the screen and choose the When a status changes to something, change the following dependent item status to something rule. The reason we do this is to automate the process. So when one task is marked as complete, the next one in the sequence automatically gets activated. Let me explain why this matters. With this automation in place, you won't have to manually activate the next task, saving you precious time and reducing the risk of forgetfulness or errors. Our final step is to test the workflow. Change the status of a task and see if the next one activates. This step is crucial to ensure that your sequential task workflow is functioning correctly. So that's it. You've now mastered how to create sequential task workflows in Monday.com. Using these steps, you can make your project management more efficient and effective. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.